Right now, sentiment around artificial intelligence is showing a surprising uptick with a score of plus 0.23, but momentum is lagging significantly at minus 0.85. This divergence suggests that while sentiment is improving, the underlying momentum is still weak, indicating a potential turning point or a fleeting spike in interest. With 17 semantic clusters identified, our API returns a nuanced understanding of the current sentiment landscape, giving you insights into how various themes are resonating. Imagine using this to inform your product roadmap or marketing strategy. A sudden shift in sentiment could guide you to invest in AI features that users are buzzing about, while being cautious of the momentum risk. Explore more at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.